Working out is a fantastic way to get in shape and lose weight. While most people spend hours at the gym trying to shed those unwanted pounds around their waistline, you only need a few simple exercises that you can easily do even at home without any equipment. This workout not only targets your belly fat, but also engages your hips and legs as well. So, without further ado, here's a 5-exercise routine designed to quickly and effectively melt away those pesky love handles. Perform this short workout daily with us, and you'll be amazed by the results. 1. Criss Crosses. Lie on your back with your legs extended and raised a few inches off the floor. Bring one leg across the other, touching the opposite ankle or knee. Lower the top leg and bring the other leg over the top. Continue alternating sides in a controlled manner. You have to hold this position for just 45 seconds. Criss Crosses are a fantastic way to target your core muscles and burn belly fat. Your core is made up of many muscles, and this exercise effectively works most of your abdominal muscles. All right, 5 seconds left. Great work. Let's keep the momentum going. 2. Heel touches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your head and shoulders off the floor, reaching your hands towards your feet from the sides. Keep your lower back pressed to the floor. Here we go. Only 45 seconds. This simple-looking variation works most of your midsection muscles and burns fat. Heel touches are particularly effective at targeting the oblique muscles and primarily work your six-pack abs. Just 10 seconds left. Fantastic. Let's move on to the next exercise. 3. Leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and your arms by your sides. Slowly lift both legs straight up towards the ceiling, keeping them together. Lower your legs back down towards the floor, stopping just above the ground. Another 45 seconds. Come on, you can do this. Leg raises are exceptional for torching belly fat and developing your six-pack muscles, obliques, and even the coveted V-lines. This exercise can enhance the flexibility of your hip flexors. Leg raises effectively strengthen your entire core muscles, improving your overall stability and balance. Almost there. 5 seconds left. Let's move on to the next exercise. 4. Mountain climbers. Start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Bring one knee towards your chest, then switch legs quickly. Keep your back flat and core engaged throughout the movement. Get into position and let's go. Mountain climbers are a full-body workout, targeting your shoulders, arms, chest, core, legs, and back. They're a fantastic way to boost your heart rate, burn calories, and sculpt your entire body. Keep up the great work. You're making progress every second. You're stronger than you think. Let's move toward the final exercise, which is elbow plank. Start on your forearms and knees. Extend your legs back, resting on your toes. Keep your body straight, engaging your core. Hold this position, this time 60 seconds. I'm sure you can make it. Plank is a fantastic exercise for core conditioning. It not only strengthens your abs, but also engages your glutes and hamstrings, promotes good posture, and enhances balance. How's it going? Keep holding on and remember to breathe normally. Don't give up now. You're almost at the finish line. Today's workout is a quick and effective routine that targets your core and full body. We'll start with 45 seconds of crisscrosses, followed by 45 seconds of heel touches. Next up, we'll do 45 seconds of mountain climbers and 45 seconds of leg raises. To finish strong, hold an elbow plank for a full minute. Remember, the key to maximizing this workout is to keep your body moving. Once you're ready to take it to the next level, try transitioning smoothly between exercises without resting on the floor. Share this video with your friends to inspire them to live healthier lives. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more workout tips and routines. Have a fantastic day.